doing everything from floor tile, vanity, shower, etc. Let's show you what we're working with. Okay, so here it is, bathroom number 1. We're going to install large format tile on the floor. And here it is, bathroom number 1. Install 12 by 24 matte finish concrete look tile at a 33% offset with a 1/16 inch grout joint. Client has already moved into the bathroom, but the floor turned out absolutely flat. We're ripping this vanity out. We will be installing vanities, mirrors. We're going to remove this soffit up here, install some drywall so the ceiling is at the same height. 2 4-inch LED cans. White shaker vanity with chrome hardware. We have a quartz top with some fantastic, good looking movement. Veins, as you can see there. We installed new chrome faucets. New mirrors. And as you can see up here, that soffit has been removed. We deleted the soffit, installed drywall, texture match, etc. We installed 2 4-inch LED cans as well as a very good looking pendant light. This adds a little mood lighting to the bathroom. Let's take you into the builder's grade shower. Now let's take you into the shower room. Here's the bathtub, tall soaking bathtub. You've got your fiberglass tub and your standard builder's grade ceramic tile. 12 by 24 rectified high gloss porcelain. We trimmed the sides of the shower with chrome jolly. Our layout is at a 33% offset. The grout that was used is Prism by Custom at a 1/16 inch grout joint. And these shower walls turned out great. Flat, lippage free via LevTech tile leveling system. Here's our shower niche, mitered at the sides, top and bottom. Very clean and tight mitered joints. We have a glass mosaic abalone in the back of the niche for the feature. Of course, we installed a new valve trim kit, tub spout, handle, and shower head. And real quickly, here is the semi-frameless chrome shower doors. Now that's it for the whole bath. Tub surround. Let's quickly show you the half bath. We remodeled at the same time. We also installed a stacked stone feature wall. Looks great. Just watch out for your elbows when you're using this toilet. Little sharp. And then also, lastly, installed a small decorative light here in the corner to showcase the stacked stone feature wall. And that's it, guys. Episode 34, part 2, bath and shower tile ideas. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, comment below, and I'll see you on the next video.